In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Zoom meetings with Zapier. Are you manually tracking Zoom meetings, sending invites, or updating your team every time someone schedules or joins a call? What if all of that could happen automatically, like logging meetings, sending notifications, or creating follow-up tasks without lifting a finger? In this walkthrough, I'll show you step by step how to use Zapier with Zoom to automate your meetings even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. First, a quick primer. Zapier is an online automation tool that connects different apps so they can talk to each other automatically. You can link Zoom with Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, Notion, Airtable, and hundreds more. In Zapier, these automations are called zaps, and each zap has two parts, a trigger and one or more actions. A trigger is the event that starts the automation. It answers, when should this run? With Zoom, great triggers include new meeting when a meeting is scheduled, new registrant for signups, new webinar registrant, or new recording. As soon as that event happens, Zapier kicks off the workflow. An action is what happens next. It answers, what should happen after the trigger? Common actions include adding a row to Google Sheets, sending a Slack notification, emailing via Gmail, creating a task in Notion or Asana, or adding a record in Airtable. Now let's build a Zap. Go to the Zapier website and log in. Click Create and choose Zap to open the Zap Builder. In the Trigger section, search for Zoom, select it, and choose your trigger event. New meeting is perfect if you want to track scheduled meetings. Click Continue. Zapier will prompt you to connect your Zoom account. Log in, approve access, and make sure you're connecting the correct account. Click Continue, then Test Trigger. Zapier will pull in a recent meeting or registration as sample data, which you'll use to set up the next part. Next, add an action by clicking the plus button. Let's send meeting details to Google Sheets. Search for Google Sheets, select it, choose Create Spreadsheet Row, and continue. Connect your Google account, then pick the spreadsheet and worksheet where the data should go. You'll now map the Zoom fields to your columns. For example, map meeting topic to the meeting title, start time to the scheduled time, duration to duration, host name to the host, and join URL to the meeting link. This links the data automatically. Click Continue, then Test. Zapier will create a real row in your sheet. Check that everything looks right. Finally, click Publish and turn your Zap on. From now on, every new Zoom meeting or registration will trigger your chosen action. For a real-world example, imagine running online classes or webinars. When someone schedules a meeting, Zapier can log it in Google Sheets, notify your team in Slack, send a Gmail confirmation, and create a follow-up task in Notion or Asana. You can also track webinar registrations, log recordings for reference, update your CRM with participant info, and build a live dashboard of upcoming meetings, all running in the background. Using Zapier with Zoom lets you automate scheduling, notifications, and follow-ups without any technical skills. Set it up once, turn it on, and your meeting's workflow runs on autopilot. Now you know exactly how to connect Zoom with Zapier and start automating your meetings like a pro.